Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pork juicy. First, let's talk about brining. A simple brine solution can transform your pork, making it incredibly tender and flavorful. This crucial step helps the meat retain moisture during cooking, preventing it from drying out. We'll cover the ideal brining time and ingredients to get you started right away. Brining is surprisingly simple. For a basic brine, dissolve 1/4 cup of salt in 4 cups of water. You can also add a tablespoon of sugar, plus aromatics like garlic cloves, bay leaves, or peppercorns for extra flavor. Submerge your pork completely. Smaller cuts need about 30 minutes, while larger roasts can benefit from up to 12 hours in the refrigerator. The key to juicy pork is not overcooking it. Aim for an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit for most cuts. A good meat thermometer is your best friend here, ensuring you hit that sweet spot every time. Once cooked, remove the pork from the heat and let it rest for at least 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute, keeping the meat moist. After cooking, resting your pork is non-negotiable. Place it on a cutting board and loosely tent it with foil. This crucial step prevents the juices from escaping when you slice. For every pound of meat, allow about 5 to 10 minutes of resting time. Finally, slice your pork against the grain to ensure each bite is as tender and juicy as possible. Enjoy your perfectly cooked pork.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.